Welcome to the Shard Center for Innovation, where young minds embark on a transformative journey of discovery. Artificial intelligence, or AI, revolutionizes industries through advanced task automation and data-driven decision-making, shaping the future of technology and society. Our drone programs integrate cutting-edge STEAM principles, providing hands-on experiences in coding and applications, fostering innovation and curiosity for the future. In our robotics programs, students develop critical thinking and teamwork skills, preparing them for the challenges of tomorrow in a professional, innovative setting. Machine learning optimizes learning processes, fostering inclusivity and accessibility in education, driven by advanced analytics and collaboration. Through our 3D printing program, students explore various disciplines, gaining deeper understanding and engagement with precision and creativity. Data science equips educators with advanced tools for systematic analysis, driving innovation and personalized instruction with precision and insight. The Internet of Things fosters real-time online interactions, enriching the learning experience and transcending physical boundaries, facilitated by advanced technology. Join us at the Shard Center